everyone, I'm gonna share with you how to turn one piece of fabric into a cosmetic mat. And the fabric here I already cut out, that is 11 inches by 28 inches long. And the back side here I already cut and ironed the interface in lightweight number 911FF. And I cut exactly the same side and iron in the back side of the fabric right here from end to end because it's lightweight, so I cut in the same side of the fabric. Let's just put that on the side and then we'll go on to work on the zipper. I want to cover the zipper at the two ends so it make it easier and it neater. So when the zipper, you can see this is the right side of the zipper. You're gonna turn into the back side this way and you're gonna fold it like this. Fold it to the end like this. So the end meet the end right here with the zipper. And then from this corner, you're gonna lift this up this way. And I'm going to sew that so I can knee this up. People ask me why I use the okay, so knead it up here. I just want to do that for now and then we'll go on to do some sewing. You're gonna do that to the other side and then the other end of the zipper. All right, let's do this one more time. Exactly the same. Remember, we do from the back. So fold it down. And then on the zipper side, the teeth, fold it up to the right corner. Like this. Now the zipper I have it 9 inches. Okay, so if you want to do this, you should take the zipper of the 10 inches zipper and then take half an inch or whatever extra at the end, take it in, and at the end you can have that 9 inches. Or if you want to use the roll zipper, you cut it out 10 inch and do exactly like this. Okay, all right, so now I'm gonna bring back the fabric. It's very easy, everyone. So bring back this fabric. Is a little bit too big of the fabric, but you're not gonna miss anything. So I'm gonna go into the right side and I'm working with the stripe fabric, and I already matched all the stripe and everything. So now fold it in half this way. Let me just zoom the camera out a bit so you can see more. All right, so now I'm folding the fabric in half this way. I make sure everything is lined up and then I press the center. Working with the stripe fabric, you have to be careful when you cut. When you cut the stripe, I usually make the line and decide what line, and then I cut straight in one line and then I match all the corners of this. All right, so you can iron this so the fabric line can stay down if you want. Make it easier anyway, so iron this. It's nighttime and I'm very busy and all day. You know how I am, but in the weekend too with my kid. I'm gonna fold it in half this way and I'm again match everything. I'm gonna press the center right here just to have that center right there, and I'm gonna mark the line for that so later on I know what to do with the zipper, or I can cut that if I want to. I'm gonna just snip a little bit right here so I know right here this is the center. All right, just like that. And I'm going to bring this over to this side so you see. and I'm going to fold it in half, put it back on this side and press. Then I know this is the center right here. Go into the right side, and that is that right there. You can see that the center line, and in the middle I'm gonna place the zipper, but before I'm gonna fold it in half, and I'm going to cut the center, so then everything will line up nicely for me. Cut this a little bit right here. And on this side, I'm gonna cut this too. Now you have to cut right in the center. Place this right side of the zipper always face down to the right side of the fabric. So face is down. The cut, the center have to match. And you can see in the two sides that we have an extra. Get the glue stick, glue this down before you sew, if you want to make it easy for yourself. Right on one side of the zipper like this. Face this down right at the center where the fold you just fold. I'm gonna fold the fabric back where the fold you're going to sew. You do a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. I use the zipper presser foot to make it easy when I sew. And it stops where the zipper is. It won't go crazy and it won't move around. The presser foot, I'm gonna take this out. And then I place that presser foot, the zipper presser foot back. You do this. Okay, this two thing that facing in like this. When it in, you can turn this to close it. Let's see if you can see it nice. I use a 1/4 and I turn this. Everything you can use for this to be able to fit and turn this. Okay, make sure it stays very. So everyone, after I sew on this line right here, I'm gonna go to the right side. You'll go to the right side. You're gonna make sure that you press this down and iron this, and make. So everyone, after I touched it in here, you're going to bring this side over to this zipper. And again, where we marked earlier, the center, and then the cut of the zipper, make sure it go right there. You can use glue and glue this if you want to, but if not, you can clip it now, just like the way I do now. Clip this, then you turn into this side. Bring this over to this, and make sure the center meet the cut of the zipper. So this way we can sew two sides at the same time. Do you want, you can do one at a time. Now press this down This is the best way that you make a cosmetic bed, or you can use this for a crossbody bed if you want to. So the same way that I showed you earlier, using the zipper presser foot, sewing this the whole straight line. So after I sewing this is the best way to do this. Just do that so you can press easier. You see how the line is lined up very nice. Okay, so now we're gonna go and top stitch this side all the way. To do that, you're gonna do like this and then start put on the sewing machine. You're gonna start from this side and top stitch all the way, and then move around. And then when you get into the end, just move around and sew this top stitch. Very easy, everyone. So everyone, after I top stitch, and this is what it looked like. So now on the same right side, you go on to fold it. Make sure it's even like that. This is where you go into sew on the side, but first we're gonna clip it down first. Remember, we on the right side. So I have cut in here that 3 inches wide by 4 inches long, and I fold it in half and then half again, just exactly how you do the strap. And I'm going to fold these two together like the ends, and then you're going to place half an inch away from here, and I face it out like this, and I start about a quarter of an inch right there. A quarter of an inch similar on, you're gonna sew this straight line down, and on this side a quarter of an inch you're gonna sew this too. So everyone, after I sew on this straight line down, I'm gonna open this and we're going to inside out. This way you already have the lining and the thing is together. The lining and the main side is the same. So after you press on the side and everything, it's right here on the side right here, a quarter of an inch, you're gonna sew the straight line down, and same thing to this side, you're gonna sew a straight line down, quarter of an inch. So everyone, after I sew on these two sides, and I'm going to mark from the bottom here, just mark an inch and a quarter here, an inch and a quarter. Fold this up. It line up so well. Okay, fold it down. You make sure you go back and forth, okay? And here too, going down, or back and forth. So everyone, after I sew on this, an inch and a quarter like that, I just follow that side, and then so now it's on the inside out. Now that's way that you box the bottom of the bag and make it bigger, wider. This is the bottom of the bag. It looks very nice. If you want to make the crossbody bag, and then you make this two loop on one on each side, and then you make the strap so you can carry that on your shoulder. Look at that, so pretty and easy to make too. Very pretty. Everything line up so nice, so cute. Everyone, I'm gonna add the tag. Thing I'm cheap, but I save all of these little things. I'm gonna cut exactly hit and bond tape, everyone. And I'm going to iron on the paper. Don't iron on the sticky side, okay? The sticky side face to this. Alright, so I'm gonna go right in the middle, about an inch below that. You can hand stitch, but it's gonna stay there forever. You don't have to worry about it falling off or anything. It's gonna stay like that, you see. But if you want, you can do hand stitch, running stitch around that, but no need. Look how cute that is, everyone. I love it. It's the best way. It's so easy to make too. And the inside that one, to make this bottom of the bag, it's wider. See? Let me see, from here to there, it's 7 inches, almost 7 inches and a half. And then I fold that 2 inches and a quarter. You can get the cardboard if you want to. I'm just showing you right now because I cannot find cardboard around here. And then you fold many times to get the thickness. Remember, not the paper, use the cardboard. And then you go in from the bottom of this bag in here, and then you slide in this on the bottom. So this bag is from side to side. I forgot to tell you, see, it's 9 inches wide, and the height of this is 5.5 inches high. And look at the bottom. Isn't that so cute? It's beautiful. And it's easy to make. And then this here, so cute. You can put so much thing in here, everyone. And then you see how pretty it is. It's perfectly good shape, good size, cosmetic bag. How cute that is. Look how cute this is, everyone. So pretty, and it's easy to make too. Stay safe, take care. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for the people who joins my channel membership and the people who donate to my channel. And for my subscriber, always come and watch my video every time I upload a new video. Stay safe, everyone. Love you. Take care.